Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Austin back here, and I don't quite know if you can hear me, but today we're going to be doing a prank inside of Super One. This prank is going to be hilarious. Once we do it, we have to run out because this is illegal. What we're going to do is, why don't you show them, Canyon?
So, what I have here...
Whoa, hold on. You can't show yet. What I have here is I have a fire alarm. And we're going to be setting it off inside his pocket in the store. And then once he does that, we might do it again. We're not quite sure. So what we're... Whoa, that cart, that's a runaway cart. Look at that cart. That cart's going across the street on its own. What the hell? Dude, you can't do it outside, bro. Or people... Okay, so we already hear sirens. So this is like scary as hell.
Yeah, oh shit.
So guys, we're gonna get right to it. Let's go. Okay.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm fucking scared shitless right now. We're gonna do it.
He's scared shitless right now, guys. So am I, though. We gotta do it, though. It's for you guys. It's for the viewers. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Alright, so I don't know if we're gonna get kicked out because of the camera. But... No. We gotta go in the right entrance. Come on. Okay, guys. So, we're about to enter Super One.
Alright, let's make it.
Not yet. I'll tell you when, okay? Yeah, we gotta go to like aisle 11. But I gotta use the bathroom, so take the camera, tell him, go to aisle 10, or go to aisle 11 and wait for me.
Yeah, I know. Right now we are in Super One. Yeah, well, I'm gonna meet Austin in aisle 11, and we're gonna do this. But yeah, we're gonna do this. It's be funny. Prank some people, get their reactions, and get the hell out of here. Maybe do it again. Make time. And I'll tell you what, if this video breaks 100 likes, I will go back in here and do it myself. Now we went for Austin. But, yeah, we're going to be complete our dicks and blow this thing out of proportion. Now let's wait for Austin. But yeah. Alright.
Guys, here, let me take the camera. Alright, guys, we're not going to do it in aisle 11. Because it looks weird being in an aisle of dog shit. Yeah. Well... doing this prank, we have to make it look like we're going to be in an aisle that a kid would normally be in. So, let's make it to this aisle here. Make it look like we're in the candy aisle, guys. So, once we do it...
How do I turn it off from 16?
You can't. It just goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 and that's it. It'll automatically stop. So don't do it yet. Okay, guys. So we're gonna get right to this prank. This is gonna be great, guys. We have to wait till people leave the aisle, like that person right there.
Sixers, you want to get to the salsa man?
Yeah, look at that chunky salsa. Yeah, that chunky salsa looks great, guys. What do you guys think? Get some cheesy salsa con quez? I think that's how you say it anyways. Salsa con quez? Quezzo or whatever, how the hell you ever say it. You got your Pringles here. Yeah, you got your Pringles. You know, boys. So guys, like I'm saying, guys, we're all the way up to like 25 subscribers, guys. We are not doing bad. Canyon's psyched for this. Canyon's super psyched. But guys, we can't do it until we got the aisle clear. And we're gonna check our surroundings. No, this aisle's clear, but hold on, that has lots of sights. Okay, so we're gonna wait until this guy leaves. Let me check sights on this side. Guys, we're Gucci. We're Gucci, guys. Let's go. I'm gonna do it right in this aisle, and we're just gonna wait until this aisle is clear. I'm sorry this is taking so long, guys. But we're gonna get this, guys. We're gonna get this for you guys. This is gonna be hilarious, guys. Y'all, I'm trying to make this video about 10 minutes long, just so then it's more enjoyable for you guys, and it's not like a 1 to 2 minute video. So I know you guys can probably hear me a lot better now because we're inside. But let's just keep going and checking our surroundings, because there is a lot of people nearby. So we might have to do it somewhere else. But I think I kind of have an idea. Let's go. So no, don't do it, guys. We're gonna check over here, see what we got over here. This ain't bad either. So guys, like I said, they have cameras, hella. Like, cameras are all over. Like, that's why he has to keep it in his pocket, so they don't know it's us. And when he makes it goes off, we have to, like, ditch out of the area. We have to go from this side of the store to the other side. So, like,